guys, this is Miss Winsley, and I'm going to be showing you how to create your works cited page using the References tab in Microsoft Word. All right, so first off, you should have your Word document pulled up, and from here you want to click on the References tab. So go ahead and click right there. So the third tab over is going to be Citations and Bibliography. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you want to click right here where Style is. And you want to make sure it's set to MLA 7th edition. Now, just a rule of thumb, in high school, we sometimes teach you MLA, but in college, you're actually going to learn, actually be required to do APA. So I don't know why we teach you MLA, but that's what we're supposed to teach you. All right, so make sure you have it on MLA 7th edition. Now, you're going to click on Manage Sources, and it's going to pull up this window right here. As you can already see, I already have some from previous work I've done. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on New. And it's going to bring up this box right here. Now, everybody should be citing or trying to cite the John Blake article, the CNN article, Miraculous Survivors. Now, that was a document from a website. So we want to use it for a journal article. No, I'm sorry. Okay, document from website. There we go. So the author, you want to click on the edit button. So you want to put Blake. And then John, he has no middle name. And then click Add. And then click OK. Now, the name of the web page is CNN.com. The name of the website is also CNN.com. Now, this article was written in 2008, and it was written in March. You don't have to worry about the date. Now, the year access, the month access, and the date access, that is for website purposes. If you actually found this article online, you would cite the date that you found it. So for learning purposes, let's put today's date. So we put March 5th, so we put 2014, March, and then 5. And then we want to put OK. So now, as you can see, we have a source. So let's do another source. So now we're going to do an image. Now, to do an image, you are going to do miscellaneous. Now, typically, images do not have an author. So you want to title the image. So if you say, let's say you had a picture of Bethany Hamilton, then you put Bethany Hamilton. Publication type, that is where you're going to put the website where you got the image from. And I got my Bethany Hamilton image from BethanyHamilton.com. Media type, I'm going to put image. Where it says year, month, and day, I'm going to put the date I got the image. So I'm still going to put today's date. Then I'll click OK. So now I have 2 sources. So now I'm ready to create my works cited page. So I'll go down into my document where it has works cited. Then I'm going to click on Update Citations and Bibliography, and then there are my works cited. Now, if you go back here, probably the sources you're going to end up using the most would be film, if you decide to talk about The Man in the Red Bandana or the movie Soul Surfer. You also use any websites where you find your own information. But since you have a lot of text, you'll probably use the book. So that will be the third type of citation you use. So the 3 main type of citations you'll use here are book, website, document from a website, and miscellaneous. Use miscellaneous for all of your images.